In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header and footer on Hostinger. Customizing the header and footer of your website can significantly enhance its appearance and functionality, giving it a unique and professional look. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you want to navigate to your Hostinger dashboard. So open your browser and go to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, look for the Home section. This is your gateway to accessing various features to manage your site effectively. Next, you'll need to click on Websites. This section holds all the sites you're currently hosting with Hostinger. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as you'll often return here for managing your sites. Now, it's time to get into the specifics. Find the site you'd like to customize and click on Edit Website. This will lead you to the website builder where you can make more detailed changes to your site's design and layout. Once you're in the editor, start by focusing on the header. Click on Header to open up its customization panel. This allows you to tailor the top section of your web page to suit your branding needs. Choose Edit Header to delve deeper into customization options, offering ways to alter elements like text, color, and layout. To give your header a polished look, click on Elements. This section will present options to add or adjust different parts of your header, such as menus, buttons, and other interactive elements that can engage your site visitors effectively. A crucial component of the header is the logo. Click on Logo to customize how it appears. You can adjust its size, placement, and even change the image to ensure it perfectly represents your brand identity. Once you've got the header looking sharp, move your attention down to the footer. Click on Footer in the Website Builder panel. The footer is where you typically find important links and contact information, so it's essential to get it right. Click on Edit section to modify its content and layout. After that, go to the Background option for the footer. This will allow you to choose a color or image that aligns with the rest of your site's design, providing a pleasing visual consistency. Next, access the Layout feature. This is where you can play around with the arrangement of information and links in the footer. An intuitive layout ensures visitors quickly find the information they need without hassle. Finally, wrap up your customization by clicking on Anchor. This is particularly handy for creating smooth navigation links that jump to different sections of your site. It's a great way to enhance user experience by offering quick and efficient navigation paths. And there you have it, a fully customized header and footer designed to give your website a unique and professional appearance, all accomplished within Hostinger's intuitive platform. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy customizing!